Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today TEL just filed an 8K and I am seeing one glaring inconsistency that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing really highlights how companies report their results and what that means for investors. So this document is effectively a notification to the public and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, that some important but not necessarily earth-shattering news has happened with the company. Think of it as a mandatory heads up. In this case, TEL Instrument Electronics Corp is reporting an event that happened on the 1st of July 2026. The reason for this report is to disclose their financial results. This section is all about the company's performance. TEL is telling us that on the 30th of June 2026, they put out a press release about their financial results for the fiscal year that ended on the 31st of March 2025. Now this is where things get a little interesting. They are reporting on the year that ended back in March of 2025, but they are filing this report in July of 2026. That is quite a delay over a year after the fiscal year ended. Typically, companies report results much closer to the end of their reporting period. This delay itself could be a point of interest, though the filing states this is to announce financial results for the fiscal year ended the 31st of March 2025. The actual details of the financial results are in Exhibit 99.1, which is this press release they put out. The important takeaway here is that the company is referencing historical financial results, not current ones. This isn't a report on how they are doing now, but rather a look back at a past period now. This filing is pretty straightforward. It is primarily an announcement that they released financial information. There are no big surprises or immediate business changes being reported on this specific Form 8. The core information is the press release they issued, since the actual financial numbers are within that press release and not directly embedded in this filing. We can't dive deep into specific figures from this document alone. However, the fact that they are filing an 8K in July 2026 to announce results for the fiscal year ending March 2025 really makes you wonder what is going on. Is there a reason for this significant delay? Was there a problem with the numbers that took this long to sort out, or is this just how this particular company operates? Without the actual press release content, we can't see the specifics. But the timing itself is a significant detail that any investor would want to understand. It is a bit like getting a report card a year late. You'd want to know why. For TEL Instrument Electronics Corp, the key here is the information contained in that reference press release. Investors would need to access that exhibit to understand the financial performance for fiscal year 2025. The delay in reporting is definitely something that raises questions about transparency and operational efficiency. It could signal internal challenges or simply a very different reporting cadence than what most investors are used to. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. Our Discord is linked below.